everyone! Today, we're going to learn how to draw apples in a simple and easy way, perfect for beginners. So, grab your pencils and paper, and let's get started. Let's start with the apple. Begin by drawing a simple circle. It doesn't have to be perfect, this is just our guideline. Now, draw a small dip at the top for the stem. Add a slight curve at the bottom to give it that classic apple shape. I love drawing and painting fruits. Red color. Brown color. Light green color.